$30 a month for AI subscriptions. Every single image you see on your screen right now was generated completely for free in less than 10 seconds. Paid plans, no tokens. Today, I am showing you how to use the king of free photorealism, FLUX AI. It's changing the game for creators and side hustlers. Let's head over to a Hugging Face website, and you can see in search bar there are ultimate options. And as I pull up the FLUX Dev model, we are going to test the massive, quite luxury aesthetic prompt. Like, I have copy pasted the prompt on the, as you can see on the right screen. I am using an ultra minimalistic modern living room with warm beige tones and soft morning light. Prompt for the image. The image is ready. As you can see, perfect. Look at those realistic shadow. This is perfect for mood boards or faceless aesthetic channel. Let's look at the product photography. We'll input a commercial prompt. Like, I am copy pasting a luxury amber glass bottle on the wet stone with splashing water droplets. I with generate and see. You can see the result. You can notice the reflection through the glass. You can literally drop your own logo onto this for a brand ad. Let's test a human face using the FLUX schnell model. I'm going to use open FLUX site, and there I'll use the prompt. I'll copy paste a heavy photographic prompt. See, you can see on the screen, our website is open. I'll use the prompt, a close-up cinematic portrait of a rugged man wearing a vintage leather jacket outside a rustic cafe. Right. Press on generate. It gives you 20 credits and 1 credit per generate. Unlike older AI models, look at the final skin texture. You can see individual hair strands, skin pose, and real camera lighting. Promptstake AI, your daily shortcut to mastering AI art and viral content hacks. If this saved your money, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think in the comments.